My name is Dave Philippone. I'm a partner here at Udin Associates. I've been with the firm for over 30 years. And today I'm here to talk to you about statutes of limitations in workers' compensation matters. There are very important deadlines that must be met when you're filing a claim. First and foremost, Section 18 of the Comp Law requires that you give notice to your employer in writing of a work injury within 30 days. If you fail to give notice to the employer timely, the law judge, despite how clearly you were injured at work, has the discretion to disallow the claim for failure to meet the 30-day deadline. There are certain exceptions to the rule that requires 30-day notice, and the judge can excuse late notice in the event it is apparent that the employer has not been prejudiced. That is a standard that you do not want to get into argument with the insurance company, because the percentages of winning those cases are very small. And so it's always important to timely give notice to your employer within 30 days of any accident. The second statute of limitations is Section 28 of the Comp Law. You are required to file a claim with the Comp Board within 2 years of when you knew or should have known your injury occurred at work. The Section 28 defense is raised routinely by insurance carriers in situations where an injured worker gave notice to their employer of a work injury, but did not seek medical treatment or file a claim within 2 years of that accident, and then after the 2-year anniversary of an injury, went to get their first treatment because they could no longer deal with the pain. That is a claim that will likely get disallowed by the Workers' Compensation Board. So it's important that you not only give notice to your employer within 30 days, but within 2 years of any accident, you file a claim form with the Workers' Compensation Board. That form is called a C3. That C3 form has very, very difficult questions that you must answer correctly and truthfully. If you don't complete your C3 form accurately, you will have significant problems with your claim. It's important to consult with an attorney that's skilled in representing injured workers in workers' compensation matters to make certain that your C3 is not only timely, but also the contents of the C3 don't give rise to a basis to disallow or rule against you in the claim.